you how to get all those funny sound, all those funny training sound that you normally see people using here on this Blue app and other social media. Is free. Stop using the one on CapCut. Here you get all those trending funny sound for your videos. You're into skits. This is where to get all those free sound. Do well to share this video. Let me blow your mind. You get all those new trending song in this website. Let me take you and show you. Let's go. Open any browser of your choice. For me, I'm using Chrome. Okay, come to the search bar and type my instant trending in Nigeria. Type it. Okay, just type it this way. You see it as it bring it up. I'll be using it. You click on this first one. When you search it, click on the first link. When you click on it, it will just take you into where all those sound is. All these are free sound you can use for your videos, whether you are into skits or content added to your videos. It will not give you any copyright. Like this first one now, you see with red color. Okay, Kasongo, yo. Let me just touch it. Kasongo, yeah. You see it? Look at the second one. Now you scroll, you see many of it here. Look at this one.
Will you keep quiet?
Will you keep quiet? Look at this one. You see it? Okay, you see? Look at this. Wahala. You see that? So you see this one? Jesus is Lord. Jesus is Lord. You see all the trading sound, any of it you can find on social media. Look at, are you a mumu man? Look at it.
You are a mumu man.
You are a mumu man. You see that? You see that? Oh my God. Yeah. You see it? Any of it. Now, anyone you need, all you need to do, like this Kasongo, yo, if you want to download it, all you need to do is just to touch the name. Just to touch the name, it will open this way. Just scroll down, you see download to MP3. Let me click on it. It will download immediately. Look, just be patient, it's downloading. You see, I've downloaded it before. They're asking me whether I want to download again. Let me click on download again. You see it downloading. Look at it, open. When you open it, you see it open on your gallery. Look at it now. Let me play it for you to see. Have you seen it? Now, any other one you want to download, go back there. Let me go back. Okay, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. More than 1,000 funny sound that you can use on your background. You can use on your skit making, on your content. Look at it. Any one of your choice, anyone you want to download, just touch the name, okay, of that particular one. Touch it. It will open immediately and take you to where you will download it. Like this one. Just scroll down.